The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Read the disclaimer. We'll take a look at charts and we'll get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. The 30 range took a trade. Bear with me 1 second. Bots are currently up 530. There's the 30 range. So we've got an open runner on the 30 range. Or I'm sorry, the Unorenco, not the 30 range, the Unorenco. I will not be running the 1 minute bot today. We have 600 sellers. They're buying them back. Second target is hit. Today is Tuesday. No 8:30 news. A little bit at 10. We do have some treasury auctions, but tomorrow's the day. Second quarter annualized GDP tomorrow at 8:30. And then, of course, Thursday, we have core PCE. We could chop around in here.
Order filled.
All right, bots are up 710. Well, my gold should have been on. I missed two trades, a winner here and what looks like a winner here. Morning, Dennis. Yeah, guys, that was, I called GoToWebinar. It was on their end. If anybody has any questions, feel free to ask. We missed a great down move. Anybody catch that down move? I'm going to shut Skype down here, guys. Turn crude on. Crude getting a little bit of a bounce. NASDAQ looks like it could pull back. Target one hit on crude. We're pushing the 2-minute, top of the 2-minute cloud here. If we can push up through it's got to go through 64. Yeah, I think tomorrow is going to be a burn to earn, and I also think Thursday for sure. There it is. Come on, 64. Go, you rat dog. Cutting into my breakfast. We got 63. Literally one tick from getting that last target. Literally one tick. 64 was the break. So what I'm going to do, guys, because I'm going to breakfast, I'm going to put this at break even, and I'm going to breakfast. If it takes it out, it takes it out. I'll be back. Bots are up 11.10 pending the completion of this trade. I'll be back. All right, here we go. We're off. Small buyers.
Has now commenced. The Dow is essentially flat. The S&P down about 4 points.
Buyers. Tagged VWAP. Little gap down in SPY, but getting a bid.
Reportedly, the Biden administration did meet with RSV immunization providers to boost supply.
Watch this level here. That's big resistance, 12.13. I'm going to try to short like 14.
Order submitted.
I'm pending 14 quarter. Fairly dull. 5 minutes. Another higher high. Not a bot trade to show. $94 should hold. It's bouncing right about that level. There it is. Boy, this is dull, dull, and dull. 94 held. Quick 10 handles. Got a small green delta. We're putting in higher highs. You can see it in the screen. All right, I'm starting to look for shorts now.
Order canceled.
Canceled that short up at 14. We're going to come to 77 from here if you guys want a small short. We've got a short to 77. Maybe 77.5. And then if we break down below 67, we probably get thrashed. We've gone pretty decent negative delta again. It's just chopping around, but it's not a damn trade to be had. When's the first Fed speaker? 10 o'clock? Thank you. Qs are breaking down. God, no imbalances, no block trades, no size trades. It's a chop fest, fellas, but I do think we're going to get 77. VWAP's been pulled up. Jeez. Finally got that 77 target on the downside. That was like a 40-minute trade. All right. Block, small. We're coming down, guys. Qs are selling. We're coming down. A break below 66 takes us to
They're
52.
saying it's probably going to take a while. Sources don't even necessarily know all 5 parties who are set to bid for U.S. Steel, but the shares are moving higher.
5 parties set to bid for Anaconda Steel. I mean, U.S. Steel. There we go. If you took the short, you got a nice trade. This is the break here. This is where we break down. If you guys like the short below the 67,
Order filled.
52 is target.
Order submitted.
58 is target 1. We're up to 1,600 sellers. This should push down to 52, and a break of 40 is going to crucify it. New candles. If anybody is short, buyers come in. Small retracement to 81, maybe. Needs to drift back down below 66. There's 81. 400 buyers came in. Losing buyers. Come on. Got to sell back down below 72. Couple handles lower. Good God. Let's see here, Lori. What'd you say? That short gave you the $500 you needed to pass 6. Nice job. Nice job. This is a shit show right now of chop. No bot, not a single bot trade anywhere. $400 buyers came in, 415. Golly. This is just junk, man. It's got to come down below 72 again. A little bit of support at 81. This could pop back to 95. Some small sellers coming in. This looks like it wants to go back to 99. What a mess. Got the initial short. I still think we're going to dip to 52. It's got to fall below 78 first. If it falls below 78, it should move back down to 68. And then below that 60 now. At 62, we get 52. Or 78 came to 78. 77.75. It held right where it had to
10
hold.
minutes now, 10 minutes to the top of the hour. Again, we're looking for the Conference Board Consumer Confidence reading expected at 101, and the Richmond Fed expected at 1 versus 3 prior. Sometimes that Richmond Fed does come out a few minutes.
All right, breaking below 78. Top of the 2-minute cloud here, 76. Need to break below that next. This is one of the ugliest 30-minute opens in recent memory. There's 72, 49.
Order submitted.
All right, so here, this spot, block seller here, 22 contracts, but 119. It's pushing, guys. It's trying. We got to 66. They should flush this down to 55.
Order submitted.
Took another short. Right back up. What a crock of shoot this is. $2,000 on the net sellers. Q's held right where they had a hold to break, 388.04. Yeah, I mean, I would call it the same thing. I'm trying to watch for purposes of the video. The bot was up 1,500 today. ES didn't take a trade. That's an anomaly. Now, ES has never had a losing Wednesday. So we'll see what tomorrow brings, but it's never lost money on Wednesday. Nonetheless, we finished up 1,500 on the bots. I did shut them off early. I'm not sure if there would have been any more trades. Yeah, there would have been a winning trade here at 10:30. Winning trade here at 10:15. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 8 a.m.